My name is Rayeden and welcome to my world of magic. This video is one that I have been waiting to do for quite some time. Several months ago, Disney announced that they were tearing up the walk around the world bricks that are in front of the Magic Kingdom. And in 1994, I had gotten one of those bricks. We'll put in some pictures here because in 2017 I was actually able to find the location of my brick, and pretty lucky that I was able to do that because 2019, 2 years later, and we find out that all of those bricks are going to be destroyed, taken out. I don't know, it may already be done, I'm not sure. But Disney offered a commemorative brick. And if you had one of those bricks, I believe at the time the brick was sold for like $100, I think it was, and they promised it to be, I don't know, like 10 years or something like that it would stay there, and it lasted well over 20. So I guess you got your money's worth for your $100 of having people step all over your name in front of the Magic Kingdom. But 2019, Disney, knowing that the bricks would be destroyed, came up with a way for people to have a brick. If you had a brick there in the walkway, they gave you a special price of $15. And I'm going to have to check, and I will put the price below because you can order a brick even if you didn't have a brick in the walkway. I'll put below here the price that it costs and also the website for you to go to in order to see that. So here's the deal. The Disney store would not deliver to Finland. So I had to beg friends until I found one that was willing to allow me to have the brick sent to her, and then she sent it to me. So it's been a long time coming, but it's finally here. I have opened up these two sides. I have my trusty knife. Let's open up the third side and let's see exactly what the brick looks like. Maybe I should show how this is boxed here. Well, first I'm going to do this. A little card. Your commemorative brick has been customized just for you. This brick has been designed for indoor use only and should be cleaned with a soft, damp cloth. Please don't use any soaps, chemicals, or sealers. I'll be sure to let Anne know about that because God knows I don't clean. And this is just the receipt for, okay. Actually, it wasn't 15. I think it must have been 15 with shipping. The actual brick cost $9.99. So, yes. All right, well, it's a 6-inch Legacy Paver stone is what they're calling it. Legacy Paver stone 6-inch. And let's go ahead and we'll look at it for the very first time. Now, I've seen this a little bit here and I can see that it's not exactly how we had it there. Different logo here, I'm going to say. It has the partner statue logo there. And but I also had the wording that we had on it changed to something different as well, because when I had the stone, this was 25 years ago, I suppose, and I was not with my current wife. So what I did was my wife and I, we went to Disney, Walt Disney World in 2017, which is when I saw our actual brick. And so what I did was I had this be commemoration for that. So, see if I can put this here. So my name, her name. Oh yeah. And let's see. So, and first visit to Walt Disney World to commemorate that. And it was the 2nd of, what is that, May 2017. So yeah. So, the brick no longer exists in front of the Magic Kingdom, but now we have a new memory from our trip in 2017. So, there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Legacy Paver Stone 6-inch. This is what you get for $10 if you had a brick. Alright, I hope that you had a little bit of fun watching that unboxing of this. So far I've not seen any videos of anyone showing these, so hopefully this is something new and different for you. And if you like the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and that notification bell so that you'll get notifications every time we do a new video. We do videos on magic because, as I always say, I'm a magician, on travel, of places that we go to, and also all things Disney. This episode, all things Disney. And remember to always look for the magic wherever you are.